Hi, it's Bill Tainter doing a quick market preview. We're looking at some red bounces. The only setup that looked good today that met my criteria is the US CAD. And so what I'm looking for is price to be, a fair distance from the red thermal grid, either below it or above it. So this is below this thermal grid up here. And what's nice is there's a black close by. So this is 48, 1.00, 48 to 68 is 20 pips. So that's great. I'm hiding behind there. I have to allow for the spread, the difference between the bid and the ask. So I parked it up here at 72, put it at 48 if it just touches me in there, because on a sell you get in on the bid, which is the candle. So may not get here, I don't know, but the criteria was met. And what I like is there's a big gap here. There's no clusters close by. So if it does reach up to this point and touches me in, there's no support area here as in struggling grids. Now looking at the previous day's market, there's a 0028 and it did a candle exchange, broke, retested, chopped around here, and then it free fell. So, if it could stall here. If it does reach up its previous day's high, you see that? It could double touch up into here before it falls. Let me zoom back out just to see a little bit bigger view. Okay, so it's an uptrend. So if it does hit some kind of a double top, right, there's the best place to get in for us. So there's let's take a look at the news quick. Okay, so here's all the news. So today's Monday the 27th, coming into Tuesday the 28th. Tokyo just opened up. Well, Tokyo's going to open up here in a little bit. Aussie, New Zealand's probably open right now. But here's the news. So there really isn't any high impact news until 7:30, the core durable goods. So we're pretty free and clear to take whatever setups they are, and that's why I went with that setup. It's kind of interesting. Let me see if I can show you here at the bottom. Yeah, you can see this. See at the bottom, this is neat. At the bottom of the home page on Forex Factory, look, it shows you the sessions. Sydney opened up here, and right now it's 5:24, and then Tokyo opens up. So what does it say? Begins in 36 minutes. Cool. See that? 6 o'clock my time. London begins in 8 hours, 2 a.m. Then the New York, 13 hours, 7 a.m. my time. That's cool. So all you do is you go to Forex Factory and you set up here at the top. You click on this and set your time zone to your computer clock and make the changes, and then it converts all global economic data releases to your clock on your computer, and you can plan your day around it. You just click this little calendar, then it comes up here on the side, and you can pick the week. If you just click on this little arrow, it pops the whole week, and it puts a blue arrow next to the next item. So in a few minutes here, about 25 minutes, there's Japanese news. And then another kind of a cool thing is if you go off over here to the side, there's this filter. If you click on the filter, you can pick which currency pairs and which items. Like if you only want to know the high impact, you can click that. Okay, so you pick which currency pairs do you care about, which the countries, and then which level of news do you want. You apply the filter and it screens it. And it'll show you whatever you want to see. So that is how we get our news, is at the Forex Factory under the calendar tab. Right here under the calendar tab. Okay, so that's a quick market preview. Yesterday canceled all 3 red bounces. They just never hit. The setups were perfect. They were clean. I put them in, but the market by 6 a.m. today, the next day, none of them had hit or were close, so I closed them down and just canceled them. So tonight, that's the one we got. All right, see you tomorrow.